Hi and welcome back. Building your dream home is an exciting journey, but it can also be overwhelming for beginners. With careful planning, smart decisions, and the right team, you can avoid common pitfalls and bring your vision to life. In this video, we will share valuable tips to help you navigate the construction process with confidence. Let's dive into a real life example. A few years ago, we worked with a client, let's call him Matthew, who was eager to build his dream home in Kiambu. However, like many beginners, he faced challenges such as budget overruns, material sourcing issues, and contractor problems. By addressing these common mistakes and implementing a strategic approach, we were able to turn Matthew's project around. The first step into a successful construction project is a solid plan and a realistic budget. Matthew unfortunately underestimated cost by nearly 20%. To avoid similar issues, always include a 10 to 15% contingency for unexpected expenses. At VWave Enterprises, we help our clients break down their budgets to ensure financial stability throughout the project. Another crucial factor is sourcing quality materials. Matthew initially opted for the cheapest suppliers, which led to delays and compromised quality. At VWave Enterprises, we partner with trusted suppliers like Brayo and Darugo Mawe to provide our clients with high quality materials. Investing in quality upfront can save you money and headaches in the long run. Hiring the right professionals is essential. Matthew's experience with unreliable contractors resulted in miscommunication and project delays. At VWave Enterprises, we connect our clients with experienced and trustworthy contractors. By building a strong team of professionals, you can ensure a smooth and efficient construction process. While it is important to be involved in your project, it is equally crucial to trust the professionals you have hired. Matthew's constant micromanagement led to confusion and delays. At VWave Enterprises, we handle management, allowing our clients to focus on the bigger picture. By delegating tasks and trusting the process, you can avoid unnecessary stress and achieve better results. By following these tips and partnering with the right team, you can turn your dream home into a reality. Matthew, with our guidance, successfully completed his project on time and within budget. If you are ready to embark on your own construction journey, VWave Enterprises is here to assist you every step of the way. From construction management to sourcing materials and hiring professionals, we are committed to delivering exceptional results. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into construction, property management, and real estate. Let's build your dream together.